Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Our today's topic is Microsoft Access. Why we are using Microsoft Access? It's a database. Firstly, we understand that what is database and why we are using the database. Database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows easy access, retrieval and use of the data. Means if we gather lots of things together and if we need something, then it's very difficult to us. Firstly we have to find out that where is that thing, and then we can take out that thing. And if we gather our things in a manifold way and set them in an organized way, then it's easy for us to retrieve the things. Like in our library, books are arranged in such a manner that we can access easily. This is the meaning of database, when we organize our things in a manner so that we can easily access, retrieve and use the data. Now Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is our relational database management system, RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System, that allows us to create, manage and process data in a form of multiple tables. Now we save, how we save access file? Extension of access file is .accdb. It's an extension of access files. Components of access. These are the components which help us to make the data conveniently. Like tables. In MS Access, a database consists of collection of tables, like organization of data in row and column. Like we can do in Excel also, we organize our data in row and columns. In the same way, at here also table present, in which we can collect data in organized way. And these are also the subparts of the table, record and field. What is the meaning of record? Record is a row, means a single row in a table that contains information about a person is called a record of a person. And field is a column in a table that contains a specific piece of information. Like we give the name to a column about it's a column of father name, it's a column of student name. That particular column is called the specific piece of information. And one more thing, field is the smallest unit of data. Field is a smallest unit of data. Now data sheet and forms. Each table appears as a spreadsheet. जो भी हमें टेबल अपीयर होगी, दिखाई देगी, वो कैसी होती है? स्प्रेडशीट ग्रिड की तरह, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डाटा शीट. लाइक इन आवर एक्सेल ऑल्सो. फॉर्म्स आर लाइक डायलॉग बॉक्सेस. फॉर्म्स क्या होते हैं? डायलॉग बॉक्सेस की तरह होते हैं, दैट प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर फील्ड एंट्रीज, जो हमें फील्ड एंट्रीज के लिए प्रॉम्प्ट होते हैं. एंड देन फिल्टर्स एंड क्वेरीज. What are filter? You can filter a table to show only desired records and fields. हम अपने इसमें से, जैसे हमने पूरी टेबल बनाई, हमें कुछ फिल्टर करना है कि हमें पर्टिकुलर, लाइक मैंने तीनों सेक्शंस का डाटा लिया, बट एट प्रेजेंट आई वांट ओनली मर्करी स्टूडेंट्स डाटा, देन मैं फिल्टर लगा के सिर्फ मर्करी स्टूडेंट्स के डाटा को कलेक्ट कर सकती हूँ. इन द सेम वे क्वेरी इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्टर. वी कैन ऑल्सो क्रिएट क्वेरीज which is like a saved filter. saved filter में से ही हम उस पर क्वेरी भी लगा सकते हैं. reports present data from table and queries in an attractive format. मतलब reports हमें क्या करती हैं? डाटा को प्रेजेंट करती हैं टेबल की फॉर्म में और क्वेरीज की उसमें एक अट्रैक्टिव फॉर्मेट बना के. कंप्लीट कैसे करती हैं? कंप्लीट विद द, मतलब टाइटल दिया होगा, हेडर दिया होगा, फुटर दिया होगा, ग्राफिक्स दिया होगा. इन दिस वे, लाइक आवर बुक. Now starting Access 2016. How we can start Access? Click on the Start button and a list of installed apps appear in a Start menu, and scroll down and click Access 2016 and Access started screen appears. I'll show you there also. Go to the start button, press the start button, and this list appears, and from this list we can select, scroll down, select where is Microsoft Office, click on the Microsoft Office, and then select this Microsoft Access 2010 I am having in my system. It's a first page which opens. In 2016 here templates are also available. When we click on the templates, lots of templates appears there. But in this, how we open? In this, we select this template, like already inbuilt templates are there in our Access, and from there we can select the template, like we want to record the students list of students, and then we press on this student file, and if we want to change the name, then here it is file name, and we can give the name accordingly, like I just given there student 1 or student, and then from there this yellow folder is there. From there we can browse the location where we want to put our file. We click on there, then document window appears, from where we can choose that at where we want to place our file, and after choosing the destination where we want to place, press on the OK button, and it saves our file. And from here we can click on, when we click on the create, firstly at here it comes downloads, but in version 2016 it comes that on the place of download, at here comes create, because in that version 2016 these templates are inbuilt. In this version we have to download this and then it installed in our system. This is a little bit difference, but rest of all the things are same. After giving the file name and after giving the destination where we want to save the file, then we press the create button and our this window appears. See, at here security warning comes that ask from us to hide the warning and enable the macros in the templates. Click enable contents. We have to click there enable contents, and then we get this window, and we can work here according to our wish, the way we want. Like if I want to if I want to record the student's entry, then this form comes there. When we select from there new, then it this forms appears, and in this way one by one, when we complete this form, then we submit this form, and later on when we click on the next, तो हमारे पास next आता जाएगा. In this way हमारे पास student entry का पूरा form बन जाएगा. I hope you all can understand. And one more thing, if we want to open, after closing this, close database, and if we want to open, then go to the open button. This window appears when we close our data, and if we want to open, then firstly Access show that files which we recently closed. तो हम यहाँ से डायरेक्ट भी ओपन कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज ओपन बटन पे जैसे ही हम क्लिक करेंगे, इट शोज अस दैट फाइल्स, लाइक हमने स्टूडेंट के नेम से बनाई थी, देन वी क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड प्रेस ओपन बटन, एंड इट शोज अस दैट आर फाइल. एंड this is the way how we can save the file, create the template file, and open the file. In next class I'll tell you about how to create blank documents. I hope you all can understand our topic. Thanks for watching.